Quilt Nation, so I'm sorry you're not used to seeing this space like this, right? But there's a reason, and the reason has arrived. So I got my long arm, so I'm gonna load it up, bring it in, put it together, and we'll have a long arm space right here, and then a little piece over there. But the important part is that we're gonna be long arming. So the journey, we got another journey to go on together, okay? Not a nightmare, but it's gonna be. I'm excited. I'm happy. We got a long arm finally. You know, you guys have been listening to me cry about it for years. Now we got one. So we're gonna bring it in and set it up, and then you'll see the new location in which we quilt. All right.
Let's get started. Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Quilt Nation, can you see it? Can you see the smile? You can see the smile, right? Yeah, I know you can. It's coming together, right? I have just enough space. My wife wants me to go this way, like turn it this way and take the whole garage, but I don't want to take the whole garage. I got my space, right? But look at this thing. It's coming together. 12-foot frame. So I'm not done putting the frame together. I got to level it off, right? And then, oh yeah, we're working some action here. You can tell already it's not level, but no worries. I'm not mad at all. I'm gonna once I get it level, I'll put the carriage on it, and then I'll put the long arm on, and we'll put our bars in, and that'll be it for today, I think. I'm not gonna power it up because there's a certain surge protector that I want for it, and then once we power it up, man, we're gonna go hot. I got plenty of quilt tops to learn on. I got some squares to train on. But don't worry, you're not gonna miss a beat, okay? I'm gonna keep you involved. I know you're excited. I'm excited. We're out of control together, okay? So when we come back, hopefully you'll see the carriage arm. I wanna level it off because I can see by eye that it's not level, okay?
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Quilt Nation, Quilting Marine here. It's together. I have it. It's level. Everything's set up. I haven't powered it up yet because I want to put it on a surge protector with a battery backup. But yes, it's a Tin Lizzy ESP 18. I bought it from a friend, Lisa, and she upgraded, so she needed to get rid of it, and she was local. A lot of my dilemma was I didn't want to drive to Ohio to pick up the machine that I really want and then drive back. You know, I wanted to stay local, so I kept my search local, and finally it hit. She got a new machine. She wanted to get rid of this. This was her first one, and I was like, yes, I'm on my way. Guess how far she lives from me? 9 miles. 9 miles. So when we picked it up, and, you know, we loaded it up, we made sure the encoders were protected, put it in the car, in the truck, and I was driving like 3 miles an hour, flashes on, waving people around. I'm so happy to have it. I wanted to take care of it. Lisa did such a great job, and I cannot wait to get it going. I want to take care of it from the start, so I'm not going to power. I don't want power going through it until it's protected from the wall. But I have so many quilt tops that I want to put on this, and now I don't have to send them off to my buddies anymore. I can do it myself. But the journey is just beginning. We're going to practice with it, you know, get some work in, do some free motion, because that's what I really want to do is free motion. I want to get my artistic side going, and we're going to start with our brand new long arm. This thing is so incredible. I love it, and I'm so happy to have it. Yes, I do know that Tin Lizzy went out of business, but there's plenty of support. I'm not worried about it, and it's my first long arm, so leave me alone. I cannot wait. So my wife is telling me to say thank you to Lisa and Clarence. Clarence, great guy. Look, I'm hoping to make them friends because they were so nice, like great people. You know, when you meet great people, you just want to be in their lives. So hopefully we get to be in their lives and we get to go into the pool. Clarence, on the way. All right. Look, this thing went together really good. A couple of tight spots. You know, the leveling was kind of a little rough. So I'm wiping down the rails. I'm gonna make sure my encoders are touching. But this thing is, oh my God, I can't wait. I can't wait. So you guys know what's gonna happen, right? All right, don't tell my wife, but we're going on Amazon because we got to get it's called a surge protector with battery backup. And they're really pretty high speed, but you want to protect this, and I'm going to protect this. And oh yeah, so we got to get, you know, I got to load it up. I got to put my leaders on. I've got leaders too, and yeah, we're gonna get this thing going. Oh, so I also have, I have some batting, but I have to unfold it and then put it on the bar down below. But I'm learning. So those of you who are with me, send me tips. I can't wait to see your tips, okay? I love you guys. I can't contain my excitement. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And look, I'm so happy right now. Thanks guys. It's only fabric and it's only thread.